welcome to Cleaning the Easy Way. Today we are going to be taking you along with us as we clean a bathroom where the kids got a hold of charcoal toothpaste. I found it very satisfying to clean out. So I did get a new thing to hold my phone, and it goes around my neck, and I call it boob's eye view instead of bird's eye view because it sits where my boobs are. So I hope you enjoy this video of my boob's eye view cleaning. I call it my boob vision.